you. You can't figure it out. There's nothing about her. Ooh, it's
Dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to VeeHive. Well, today I'm coming in the car again. I have decided to do some DIYs. I haven't done any of those any of this year, so I decided to do some DIYs. So where I'm going to take you right now to pick up the items, it's a Dollar Tree DIY and coffee table styling. So I will see you when I get to Dollar Tree. Hi guys, now I am back home, so let's get into this DIY. So the first thing you need is a hot glue sticks from Dollar Tree, and you want to get some of these wooden snakes. I have 5 of them.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay.
So you want to take one of the wooden snakes, and what you want to do is to take off the tail.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no.
Then you want to take off the head.
Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had a
So now guys, I have removed all 5, and this is what you will have. So the head and tails, you can just put them in the trash. So now guys, what I am going to do now, this is where my hot glue gun comes in play. So you're gonna hot glue one of the ends, and I do put extra hot glue on it. Then you're gonna bend it and join both pieces together. Let them sit for a few until they adhere, and after I take the extra hot glue and just roll it around to make sure it is sealed.
And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you
So now you want to take another one, and you want to hot glue the end of it, but this time guys, you want to insert it within the other circle and adhere these together. Hold it for a few minutes, roll the hot glue around it, and you have your first link.
We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. No, no, yeah.
So now I am going to repeat this until I have all 5 links connected together.
Dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
So for $5, what do you think? You can also spray paint these. These 2 sets joined together cost me $30, but this one whole piece, 5 for $5. So now let's style these on a coffee table.
It is obvious, and then maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out.
So this is style number 1. Very cute.
Hardly got to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you.
Style number 2.
Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious.
So this is style number 2. What do you think?
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
Style number 3.
Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you, wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you, coming to get you, coming to get you.
So this is a style number 3.
Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me.
Style number 4.
I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get
So guys, this is style number 4.
coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I leave the TV.
Style number 5.
I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go. I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind,
This is style number 5. What do you think?
the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better.
Style number 6. So this is style number 6.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the
Style number 7.
Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another cause that we can fly.
So this is style number 7. Style number 8.
Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
So this is style number 8. It's very, very simple, but has a statement of its own. Okay guys, I know you would like to know which one that I picked to keep on our table until I think it's the 29th of this month, and then everything with all of the orange, everything will be changed once again for the month of November. But to the coffee table guys, if you would like to know which one right now, leave in the comments which one you think that I did pick. So guys, without further ado, let me show you the one that I did pick. So guys, if you did pick this one is the one that I did pick. These are absolutely just so darling, and they are heavy duty. Once you bend them, they are very, very sturdy. And of course, I still have my pumpkin and all of this, and my roses. Of course, they're orange and white to match my decor. So guys, this is the one that I picked.
She got her own thing, that's why you love her. Miss Independent, won't you come? She got her own thing, that's why you love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time?
So guys, hopefully you did enjoy this DIY and coffee table styling. I gave you 7 different styles that you can do with this, and of course with those rings you can put them anywhere in your home. And I'm planning on making another set guys, and I have a different place that I will be putting that one, but I will be spraying this one and the other one, both different colors. So guys, you know what I always say at the end, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And to my new subscriber that I met yesterday in the store, hey girl. So guys, you know what I always say at the end of all of my videos, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time guys,
Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got